Oh, hey everybody, welcome back to DXR Stuff. Today I'm giving you an update on the keyboard and mouse that I got. And I just got a new mouse, by the way. It's like my keyboard changing different colors. So, guys, since it's nighttime, yeah, there, I'm gonna give you what I'm gonna turn off the light to show you how it looks. Okay, so guys, as you see, I am completely black. It's actually night. It's just that my TV is reflecting the light to me. So, but you're not here to see me. You're here to see the keyboard and mouse. Yeah, that's it for the keyboard and mouse. Thank you guys. I'll see you in the next time. Peace.